Looking for affordable, full-service movers in Detroit? Let's dive into the best value service hauling companies near you and what you should consider before choosing a moving service. Not all Detroit moving companies are created equal. A full-service mover can help you with everything from packing fragile items to hauling your heavy furniture. Professional movers offer convenience and peace of mind, particularly when relocating over long distances. But how do you find the best deal? Let's talk about that next. Full-service movers take care of all aspects of your move. On average, hiring a professional moving company in Detroit will cost around $2,500. This price typically covers renting a truck, labor costs, and other expenses. For smaller moves, such as a small home or apartment, you can expect to pay around $1,000. Larger moves to a bigger home can cost closer to $3,500, depending on distance and volume of items. Want to save money on your move? Here are some tips. Get free quotes from multiple moving companies. Ask about discounts or promotions. Many movers offer deals for online bookings or referrals. Look for federally licensed moving companies to ensure reliability. Be sure to ask about hidden fees and understand all the costs up front. Now that you know the ins and outs of hiring full-service movers in Detroit, you're ready to make your next move stress-free. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more moving tips and advice.